We want to continue our conversation on intimate partner violence, and a warning: sexual assault is part of that discussion.
According to a survey from the National Sexual Assault Resource Center, more than half of women who reported a rape said it was by an intimate partner.
In North Carolina, some women say they feel safer and more confident after taking a self-defense class.
Reporter Natisha Lance takes us to the training.
Lexi Arnold is a women's self-defense trainer.
My goal with my self-defense classes is literally to be able to fight instead of freeze, because it's a mindset thing.
It's something Lexi found out the hard way.
I've been through 2 assaults and I didn't report either of them. I was too young.
She was 16 the first time.
The first situation I was in was a best friend, and he forced himself on me.
Lexi says she froze.
After that, I was like, if anything were to happen to me again, I would fight out. Try to move your head, could follow him.
And fight she did when a boyfriend attacked her during a breakup.
I hit him, gave him a black eye, broken nose, and got out of the situation.
Lexi stresses that education and knowing how to protect yourself from an attack is just as important as the moves she teaches to get out of one.
You're never too old or young to learn self-defense.
Janetta Wells came to class with her bestie and her goddaughter to help get her ready for college.
Just understanding the risks that are out there in the world, and I just don't want her to be afraid. I want her to be prepared instead of reacting in the situation.
So one of the techniques that we teach is a knee strike.
The Rock Hill Police Department started offering a self-defense course to the public 3 years ago.
We typically teach them grab either the shoulders or the waist. We started receiving a lot of interest, requests from the community about just being interested in women's self-defense. You ready?
Yep. No!
We want to have women understand is that they can defend themselves. They can say no in any situation if they don't feel comfortable.
Women in general just want to feel confident. They want to feel like they can defend themselves.
If you're considering a class, the National Resource Center on Domestic Violence recommends seeking out more than just a self-defense course, but trauma-informed classes that include psychological skills or assertiveness training.